In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unmute a muted thread in Gmail. So, let's dive right in. We're starting at the very beginning, which means opening your Gmail account. Head over to your web browser and navigate to the Gmail homepage. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the familiar inbox page where all your emails are displayed. Now, the goal here is to uncover those sneaky muted threads. To do this, we're going to employ a simple but highly effective search technique. Look towards the top of the page where you'll see the search bar. This is our tool for today. In the search bar, type is muted and press enter. This search command helps you locate all the emails that you've previously muted. It's a powerful feature to have in your Gmail repertoire, as it makes sure no conversation slips under the radar unintentionally. Once you hit enter, Gmail will pull up a list of all your muted conversations. It's a bit like casting a net and seeing what comes up. You might even find a thread you forgot about entirely. With the list of muted threads in front of you, take some time to scan through them and identify the specific conversation you want to unmute. When you spot it, go ahead and select the thread. Clicking into it will open up the conversation, giving you the full view of your prior messages. Now, while you're viewing the email, direct your attention to the top right corner where you'll see 3 vertical dots. This icon represents the More menu. Clicking on these dots will drop down a small menu with a selection of options. From this menu, you need to choose Unmute. Go ahead and click Unmute, and just like that, you've reactivated the conversation. This allows new messages from this thread to flow back into your inbox as they arrive, ensuring you don't miss out on any important updates. And there you have it. That's all it takes to unmute a thread in Gmail. The process is straightforward and can be completed in just a few clicks. By following these steps, you'll ensure that no important conversation remains unheard, and you can keep on top of your emails just the way you like them. Thank you for watching, and we hope this has helped you manage your Gmail more effectively. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tips.